Main line of showers and even a thunderstorm possible moving through later on tonight when the cold front moves on through. So let's tell you the timing of that right now. So you see it starts to enter the Treasure Coast around 10 o'clock or so and back towards Okeechobee City. This is out ahead of the cold front as it moves through, and then around midnight or just after it starts to move through Palm Beach County, coastal Palm Beach County, and then just before sunrise there, it should push on off. We'll see clearing skies, and we'll see some brief sunshine for the day on Friday. So the forecast for tonight, after that front passes, colder air sinking on in, 62 in Boca, 58 in Wellington, 57 in Jupiter, scattered showers, and as we go into the Treasure Coast, some 40s on the map already, 47 in Vero, 48 Fort Pierce, 54 looking at in Port St. Lucie. All right, right here, here's the cold front right here. We're going to see this move through. Back behind it, much colder weather arriving by tomorrow. In fact, we're going to see, again, 50s to near 60 across the area. So here we go again, 10 o'clock, then pushes through, and by 4 a.m. or so, it's gone. By the afternoon, we see some sunshine. Short-lived, though. We swing the winds around very quickly out of the northeast. That will blow in some cloud cover. A couple of showers, really. Going to stay chilly for the next 5 days. Average temperature is 76. Not anywhere near that. The next several days will be in the 60s, with the exception of Saturday. We may see the 70s with an onshore wind. Small craft advisory conditions. The wind going to be real strong the next several days, tapering down a little bit Saturday, coming back up on Sunday. Windy and cooler tomorrow for the beachgoers. Strong drift from the north to the south instead of the south to the north like we've been seeing. 7-day forecast. Look at these temperatures. 60s throughout the entire forecast just about, except for Saturday, and some 40s in the morning, and we could be talking about wind chills once again.